Hi, I'm Maile Collmer, and welcome to Maile's Referral Intelligence. Today I want to talk about networking and how to make it more fun and productive. So one of the things that you want to do when you're networking is, of course, you want to meet a lot of people to grow your network. So we need to know enough people to have people in our network to be able to refer to our network, because the value we bring to our network is our network. So we need to go and meet people, and we need to build relationship. Now, one of the really effective strategic tools to make networking more fun and productive is to network with a buddy. So when you go to an event and you're going to be meeting a lot of people, it's always best to have a plan and practice ahead of time on how you will network with your buddy by way of introducing them and them introducing you. So you want to have every opportunity to talk well about someone else and promote someone else and who they are and what great value that they provide and how they help people, because when we do that, people find us more valuable, and they actually take it to heart what we are sharing about that other person. It's far more, it really resonates with people far better than talking about ourselves. So I can say, I'm awesome. However, you believe it better if someone else tells you how awesome I am, and vice versa. There's a behavioral scientist called Dr. Nick Lucas who talked about and studied how people actually, when they speak well of others, people feel like they are influential. That person who speaks well of others is influential. So it increases our own visibility and credibility when we speak well of others. Plus, it's far more fun and enjoyable to say how amazing someone else is than to try and brag about ourselves. So use this tip when you're out there networking. Find a buddy and figure out how you can speak well of each other and talk about each other's value that you bring, how you help people, and also strategically figure out who do they want to meet and who would be a great introduction, so you can do that and be on the lookout for those key people as well. So that's a little tip from Maile's Referral Intelligence today. Enjoy.